Hi friends, good evening. This is your Chef Prakash and hope you all doing good. And today we are going to discuss about 7 healthy habit for healthy life. So let me explain clearly what are the habits. If you follow up in your daily life, it will helps you to be healthy and hygienic. So let me start one by one. First of all, you have to take your food at correct time. That is very important, but we are not doing that one because of our work tight schedule. We are not able to do the taking of food at correct time. That is one of the big problem. It will spoil not only our body, it will affect our brain also. So if you take the food at the correct time, it's really work out for the good digestion. If you have a good digestion in your body, you don't get any diseases. This is the first point I am saying to you. And second one, the peoples in our modern culture, maybe occasionally we are eating food in a banana leaf. Maybe in some functions, festivals, at the time only we are using in our home also. The remaining days we are using a silver plate or ceramic plate or some other thing. So in the previous video also I will talk about this thing, but I will not explain. Now I will explain you very clearly. If you taking the food in banana leaf, it will helps you for the good digestion. It is a good appetizer also. So whatever the food we can eat, it will be digest very easily. For example, in the banana leaf, if you put the hot rice or whatever it is, there is some benefits in the banana leaf is mixed with our food. It is good for our body health also. So whenever you have a chance or try to make it practice to eat food at least weekly 3 to 4 times in banana leaf. There are lot of medical facts available in banana leaf. And another one is we are going for some functions or parties or wherever it is now. It is famous on buffet system. Buffet system is not our culture, but we are practiced already. But when you taking the food, you have to sit down in the floor and bend your legs, and you have to sit straight and eat. That is one type of yoga also. We don't know about it, but that is true. In our life, we are not following a small thing. It's related to our health. We are just skipping the things, and which is not good for our health. We are following that one very easily. So this is the thing I am explaining you. Try to sit down and eat. Whenever you eat the food, Don't touch your mobiles or any electronic device. Even don't watch the TV. You have to sit and taste the food and you have to eat. If you're watching TV or watching mobile or you are doing something, even you don't want to talk also, your concentration should be on the food and the taste and the aroma. It will helps for our inner cells to work very properly and you get the vitamins, minerals or whatever it is from the food. It will be spread equal in your body. If you swallow the food, it will not digest. There is no use of eating the food like that. There is a way of eating food. So for that only I am explaining. Watching TV, these kind of things, please try to avoid. And whenever you're eating the food, you have to smash your food with your teeth. And then you have to eat. Don't swallow up. That is also one of the good thing you have to follow when you are having your food. And most important, whenever you taking the food, at the time don't drink water. So why you want water when you are eating? Because you are eating fast. So it will catch your throat, so you want to drink the water. So eat it slowly, take time and eat maximum 15 to 20 minutes for your lunch time or dinner or breakfast, whatever it is. If you give the time, you have to smash the food and eat. You no need for water. The water is not compulsory when you taking the food. But after you finish the your meal, breakfast, lunch or dinner, give me 5 minutes to drink a water. At least wait for 5 minutes after you drink water. But if it is a warm water, that is more good. The warm water it's good for digestion and it's remove the fat from your blood vessel. If for example if you eat any non-veg food, in your heart area if there is a fat content or oil content should be there. So when you taking the warm water, it will helps to remove it from the surface. So these are the things, the habits of eating for the healthy life. Please try to follow it and try to practice it. It is good for your health and please try to share this video with your family, friends, and if you have any suggestion regarding this video, please pen down right now and tomorrow morning you can comment and I will give you a proper reply for that. And tomorrow I will give you some health drinks tips. I already prepared and I keep it. But today I don't have time to make it 2 or 3 videos because of lack of time and situation. So tomorrow I will post that healthy drink. It is also one of the healthy based drink. You can try it and I'll meet you tomorrow. Stay tuned. Have a good day. Thank you all. Bye.